is a good day to leave. Because the weather is cloudy. Well, bye-bye then.
I'm in Yongdusan Park in Busan to summon Shenron today. And this is King Sejong's bell. It's pretty huge actually. I'm getting ready to summon Shenron. Are you ready? I am ready. Right. Come forth. Oh wait. Wait, that's an apple. Wait. Here it is. The 4-star. Alright. Come forth, eternal dragon, Shenron. No, I'm just kidding. The eternal dragon in its eternal glory. It's your boy Shenron. Shenronimus Maximus. Summoned with these balls. Yeah. Summoned by your boy. Collected by your boy too. It's your eternal dragon. Oh. State your wish. Bruh, people are looking at me like beep, which might be true in this case actually. This guy putting balls on the floor and speaking to himself, recording beep. Where go it? Hey Shenron, can you please grant the wish that I get a pair of boxers that can carry these heavy as nuts of mine? What do you say? Your wish is beyond my power and therefore cannot be granted. Ah, that sucks. Alright then, Shenron. My wish will be for everybody to find the same happiness that I found on my journey, on their own personal journey. Can you grant that? Your wish is well beyond my power. Your wish has been granted. Shenron, why are you so cool? Why do I keep fangirling over you? Look at this. Toothless. He toothless, but he Shenron. He can't be toothless. He is the eternal dragon. You better put some respect on it. I don't see any of y'all being eternal dragons. He can get implants. He can wish for implants or make it happen anyway. from Busan. Yeah, go 1 floor down and you can take the elevator from there. But like... these walls... Yeah, I can walk like this, I know. Let me brag, okay? Ah, shit. To be honest, Busan is my favorite city in Korea. And this is Busan. And this is Gwangali Beach. And this is me walking on the beach. Let me just enjoy this for a moment before I drive back for 6 hours, okay? The weather is nice. The beach is nice. Look at this view. Look at this view. That's right. That's right. Yay. We conclude our grand tour of 2020. So the way that they drive in Korea, to get anywhere, anytime, you have to do some scissor action. You know, like Xerxes doing scissors. Oh yes, Xerxes, scissors. Scissor that shit. Not this side. I scissor the other side then. And then another scissors. And if we can go a little bit more, yeah, oh, a little bit, yeah, and then another scissor. Thank you. Come on, one more scissor. Oh, scissors. Scissors. Scissor section. What? Still have, what is it, like 100 kilometers to go home? Been driving for 300 kilometers now. I'm hungry. Hungry. Ananı sikeyim. Was that a rabbit? Did it die? Oh. I love you too, Jesus! Man, this is what I had left. So after successfully collecting all the 7 Dragon Balls and summoning Shenron in Busan with a surprise trip to Anapji, I have arrived back home in Seoul. Thank you all for joining me on this exciting journey, and see y'all on the next one.